Uh-oh, somebody learned how to poopy. Somebody learned how to poopy. Who did that, half and half, huh? Half and half's learning how to poopy. My goodness. Oh my goodness, that food must be good. Oh yeah? Yep, you learned how to poopy, didn't you? Little nasty thing. You little nasty half and half. You little black face. Look at you. Look at you. Y'all a mess. Climbing in your food bowl. Got food all around your bowl. There's a little tan and white one. Got little stripes on it. My goodness. My goodness. My goodness, what you two doing over there? There's the little brindle. There's the little brindle. They're almost big enough to bring them out of their little den. We have a little homemade den for them. And they got a potty on one side and a sleeping bed on the other. But they're starting to move pretty good, so it's almost time to bring them out of their little den. They got their little potty pad that I got dirty. There's Tiger. There's little Tiger. There's little Tiger. He's funny with all his stripes. My goodness. My goodness. Uh-oh, somebody else learned how to pee-pee. Somebody learned how to pee-pee. Y'all are so silly. They learned how to wrestle. They learned how to bark. Trying to see who the big dog is. There's Spot. I don't know why we call him Spot. I don't know why we call him Spot for. Maybe because he's got a spot around his tail and a spot on his back. Got a little complete circle all the way around his tail. Bunch of silly puppies. Bunch of silly puppies. There's half and half. Has everybody tried the food out? Has everybody tried the soft food? Oh, somebody else learned how to go pee-pee. They walk from their little